Alright, so down at the farm looking at this old washing machine. I'm going to use the camera while Ricky walks around and talks about it a little bit.
Ricky's good at talking. Oh, Ricky, good.
It has a tag down here that says Universal, and we don't know exactly if that's a brand name or what, but
Can't really see anything on the camera either.
it's hard to read. But there's some surface rust on the outside, but the metal is very solid.
Say the inside is perfect.
And spin it around this way. The arm will spin out of the way. If you look inside,
Even shiny.
it's in very good shape. The agitator comes out, and the tub is in very good shape. Excellent shape.
It's a little dirty on the bottom.
A little
Just
dirty,
dirt. Just wipe out.
We can wipe that out.
But
Okay, you don't want too small more.
Got wheels on the bottom, so it rolls around.
Yeah.
got the original motor underneath, and the cord is still intact.
Plugs right there, wrapped around it. Got a handle over here. I don't know what the handle. What do you think the handle is for? Some sort of a.
That probably
lever.
engages and disengages the motor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's got the rollers up here.
Yeah. That's what you call it.
Yeah, the ringer roller's there.
Might need some new ones.
And that was the devil. Someone get honking and you turn before you got it out.
I just had it.
Had it open a second ago. It's got this knob up here for low and high. Got another lever on this side.
Now this one might be down here for letting the water out. You see, there's a pipe where it would come out.
Oh, so maybe that lever let the water out.
Yeah.
The pipe. Yep, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alright, so we got this open.
And that allows the ringer to come
Ringer's
up.
out. Alright,
And then that fastens back down.
this is release.
Apply the pressure.
Push. And I guess. Let's see. Pretty much looks the same on the other side also. The rest at the bottom.
That other lever is for the start and stop it.
So that one starts and stops it.
And this one is for the water.
Alright. Thanks for watching.